I'm going to inform you today of the injustices going on death row due to technicalities. I'm going to present as examples the cases of Gary Graham and Carl Johnson. First, a brief definition of the term technicality. Quoted from page 15 of the introduction in Executed on a Technicality. Typically, when politicians and the media use the phrase legal technicality to decry a decision that results in a new trial or the release of a convicted felon, what they mean is that a criminal who did actually commit a crime is released for a trivial reason. It is worth noting, however, that these technicalities also sometimes keep people that are actually innocent from getting off of death row. Okay, Gary Graham was arrested in May of 1981. 19 years later, when the state finally decided to execute him, on June 22nd in 2000, his final words were, "They are murdering me tonight." He had tried to show the courts plenty of evidence that he was innocent, but this evidence was thrown out due to the AEDPA, which stands for the Anti-Terrorism and Effective Death Penalty Act. This act asks that the inmate show both cause and prejudice. Cause in this case meaning that he had to show that the evidence could not be discovered earlier through due diligence. This is impossible in this case because the evidence was present, but was not found due to his lawyer being lazy. And prejudice means that he had to show that the evidence would have changed the outcome of the trial. Carl Johnson, who however committed a horrible act of that there is no question. But after he did so, the state's ignominy began. First, it provided Johnson with a somnambulant lawyer, and then both the state and federal court decided that the merits of Johnson's constitutional claims could not be reached because his sleeping lawyer had not raised them earlier. In conclusion, some people who are on death row die because of technicalities caused by a flawed judicial system.